Why the Australian dollar, the Aussie dollar, AUD is set to outperform its peers. Now, please note, these are my own views, so take them as per you wish. Now, for those that don't know, there is a strong correlation historically between AUD, USD and gold prices over the longer term. You'd be able to see that historically, right? Now, why is this? Well, Australia are actually a huge producer of gold. They actually made around 11% of global production last year in 2019, and they have a massive amount of reserves of gold. Okay, so you can see the correlation there between AUD and gold. Now, one thing that's quite important to note is, if you have a look, in recent times, gold price have been extending quite aggressively to the upside this year, but particularly having a blinder of a month in the month of April, okay? And now, Australian dollar, if you look at it, comparative to some of its peers, it's really held some ground. If anything, has obviously had periods of consolidation, but been grinding gradually to the upside, okay? And the other point that I want to get onto, that's my first point. The other is that if you look at coronavirus, COVID-19, stats do show that Australia has been one of the nations best containing the outbreak, okay? And they look set to be easing lockdown measures very soon. So, you know, they've done very well. So these are sort of two fundamental factors that businesses should be going back to normal gradually in Australia. So great for the economy. But then my other point with the correlation with gold prices, gold continues to rise. And obviously gold's rising is benefiting from all this government and central bank stimulus. It loves all of that, so that's why it's been rallying aggressively to the upside and can very well possibly achieve that $1,800 mark and more. You know, a lot of big institutions are calling $2,000 plus over the sort of 6 to 12 month period. So that's just my view. You can see below just a couple of charts, guys, in terms of daily fundamental and technical analysis with these, but also everything else. We do that at freaknetwork.io, so please do not hesitate to check out our membership. Hope you enjoyed that video. Do have a digest of all those points below anyway. Let's get it.